Hello guys, welcome to the second part of Angular-10 series of tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll see how can we install the prerequisites needed to get into our first Angular application. To install and develop Angular applications, we require the following: Node.js, Node Package Manager, NPM, Angular CLI, IDE or text editor like Visual Studio Code. So let's see how to install these environment providers for Angular in our subsequent slides. Node.js package includes both Node and npm executables. Hence, there is no need to install npm explicitly. To install Node, we need to download it from its official website. And to check whether the Node version is installed properly or not, we need to open the terminal and type node-v. Same with npm as well. We need to check by typing npm-v. Let us see the official website of Node.js. At the time of creation of this video, the latest version is 14.9.0. Download and install the latest version of Node. The installation is quite simple and straightforward. Let's see in my terminal. And npm-v. There we go. I have installed the latest version of Node in my machine now. Angular CLI is a command line interface which includes the functionality that Webpack provides. What is Webpack? Webpack is a module bundler. Its main purpose is to bundle the JavaScript files for usage in a browser. It supports browser link, which recognizes the file changes when you are working on Angular code and automatically refreshes the browser that is listening to the application. Webpack also minifies the project files to reduce the bundle size of our application and readies our code for a production environment. Prior to Angular 2, that is for Angular.js projects, we need to create Webpack explicitly. But Angular CLI will done all the Webpack configuration by default. In addition to Webpack, Angular CLI makes it easy to create a fresh Angular working application, to create new components, services, modules, which follows the best practices defined by Angular. We'll discuss how to create these things using Angular CLI in our upcoming tutorials. To install Angular CLI, we just need to type a command npm install-g at angular CLI at latest in terminal. To check whether Angular CLI version is installed properly or not, we just need to type ng-version in terminal. I have installed the latest version of Angular CLI. Let's test it by opening the terminal. ng-version. Perfect. In my machine, I have installed the latest version of Angular CLI. There are quite a few Angular IDEs that we can use in developing next generation mobile and web applications. My personal choice and recommendation is Visual Studio Code text editor. It is lightweight and easy to set up and handle. To install Visual Studio Code, we just need to go to its official website. Let us go to Visual Studio Code official website. Download the Visual Studio Code depending on the operating system in our machine. The installation is pretty straightforward. I have installed the Visual Studio Code and I'll use the same for the complete Angular-10 series of tutorials. Alright, we have installed the latest version of Node npm, Angular CLI, and Visual Studio Code text editor. With this, we are good to go and create our first Angular application, obviously the Hello World application.